I am back, and today for your creativity and your creative thinking, we're actually going to do a little science experiment. You're going to be making your own lava lamp with very easy to find ingredients that you might already have at your house. You're going to be using oil. I went and purchased some really inexpensive oil for this so that I wasn't going to be wasting my good oil. You need food coloring. I think most people have that in their house. If not, it's very easy to find at the store. You're going to need a little bit of water, and you're going to need ALKA seltzer. So I had to go out and buy ALKA seltzers because that's not something that I have in my house. However, ALKA seltzer is dangerous for children. So if you are a child, you need to make sure that you get adult permission before you use these. As well as if you're a parent, make sure that you are monitoring, or if you're a guardian, monitoring your child during this experiment, because this is something that children should not put in their mouths at all. Okay, we will get started in a moment. Before we get started, I want to say, if you don't want to use your whole container of oil, that's okay. You can use a little bit. You can use, I'm using a big vase today because I thought that would look really cool, but you can use a regular glass, whatever type of glass that you have. So basically you're just doing a ratio, okay? So you're gonna do 3/4 oil, 1/4 water. So for me, it was actually pretty easy because what I did is I looked on the oil and you can see where it says the milliliters, and that says 946 milliliters. So I know that's close to 1 whole liter. And this big measuring cup that I have actually measures, this is a liter measuring cup, okay? So I knew that there are about 4 cups in a liter. So when I was filling my water, I just filled it up just underneath the 1 cup so that I would have roughly about 1/4 water compared to my 3/4 of oil, okay? All right, everybody, I have my little helper here, or maybe I'm his helper. All right, so we are going to get started. All right, so remember, you can do this experiment with any quantity of oil and water. It just has to be 3/4 of oil, 1/4 water. So like I said in intro to my video,
which you can check out on her YouTube channel.
Thanks. This oil is almost 1 liter because it's 946 milliliters. So when I poured my water, I poured it so that it was almost 1 cup because I know that there are 4 cups in a liter. So we're gonna get started. So Zombie Melon, why don't you color the water for us?
How many drops?
I don't know, put as many as you want until it looks the nice color that you want. Okay, let's stir it up, see how that looks. Remember, food coloring will stain your clothes, so just be careful when you're using it. Do you like that color?
Yeah, it's a nice shade.
Yeah, it's a nice shade. Okay,
Like
easy peasy lemon squeezy. All right, now for the oil. Let's get the water, we'll put it back here. Zombie Melon, would you like to pour the oil in?
How much?
We're using the whole bottle. We're going wild.
Oh, it's already, yeah, I was trying to pop that off. I was like,
Ooh, watch what you're doing there. Yeah. Oh.
yeah, it splashed on me.
Okay.
There we go.
That's pretty good. Oh, another point that you should just be conscious of when you're using, doing this experiment, if you're going to replicate it at home. We've actually never done it before, so we hope it works out. But what I've read is that you need to leave 1 or 2 inches at the top. So this is perfect because I have quite a couple of inches there. So we don't have to worry about it overflowing. All right, Zombie Melon, please pour in the water.
There we go.
Before he pours it in, what do you think is going to happen? Whoa, that looks so cool.
Oh, this is sick.
Yeah.
Oh, it looks so cool. Like,
It does look so cool.
oh,
All right,
my fingers.
let's just get that out of
My
the way.
fingers red.
All right, wow, this is already pretty cool already. Like, check that out.
It's so bubbly.
It is so bubbly.
See that one falling down?
Wow.
I named him Jerry. The one that just fell down.
All right, so what we're going to do now is we're going to put the ALKA seltzer in. I didn't even know what ALKA seltzer was until I bought these, and I realized that they're basically a pain reliever. So yeah,
Or
kids,
death in a bag.
it's not death in a bag, but no, children should not use it. Okay, so some versions of the experiment I've read just plop the whole thing in. Some break them up. So I thought because we're using such a big container, we just plop them in. Ready?
1, 2, 3. Ooh, it's bubbling. The bubbles
It
are
is
going
starting
up
to bubble.
instead of down.
I got extras in case we need them.
We should put
Okay.
the extras. This is a lot.
Whoa, this is already
Put more.
so
Make it
cool.
fun.
Wait. Let's enjoy this for a little bit.
Just watch
It's
it.
actually wow.
Just take a moment to just look at it. Oh, it's fizzing, if you can hear that.
Yeah.
If you can't, turn up your volume and listen.
Let's see if I can get this closer. Wow. This is so cool. All right, everybody. I hope you really enjoyed this quick, easy, and very entertaining science experiment we did today. You can use your creative and critical thinking skills to think about the science and the math that went into this, as well as just use it as a way of getting lost in your thoughts when you're following all those bubbles up and down and thinking about how beautiful it all is. Lots of fun things that you can do while you're stuck inside. Have a great day and see you next time.